Hello dear students, welcome to you all for the course STA301. The title of the course is Modern Probability Theory and Stochastic Process. Here we are two faculty members who will teach you about the course. Muhammad Mastak Al-Amin and Momita Dattagupta. So the course is basically into two segments. First one is about probability distributions. So here we will talk about different concepts of probability, and also we will discuss about various probability distributions. And in the second part, we will discuss about stochastic process. So in stochastic process, again we will discuss about the basic of stochastic process, then different types of process and different ideas about stochastic process. So if we want to give you how the course will progress, we can discuss it elaborately here. So for first part, the probability distribution, we will discuss about the basic concepts of probability, then types of experiments, axioms of probability, random variables, different types of random variables, discrete and continuous random variables. Then for these random variables, we will discuss about their probability function. For instance, probability mass function and probability density function. Later, we will discuss about mathematical expectation and the variance of the random variables. In the next part, we will discuss about the conditional probability, joint probability, marginal probability. So in the part of the conditional probability, we will discuss about few theorems, total probability theorem and the Bayes theorem. Then we will discuss about various discrete probability distributions such as Bernoulli distribution, binomial distribution, negative binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, geometric distribution, hypergeometric distribution, and the uniform distribution. Similarly, we will also discuss about various types of continuous probability distributions. They are uniform distribution, exponential distribution, normal distribution, log normal distribution, and the Weibull distribution. So, in the second part of the course, in stochastic process, initially we will discuss about the definition and different types of stochastic process. Then we will discuss about few important terms such as random walk, white noise, stationarity, then Chapman-Kolmogorov equations, transition matrix. Later we will discuss about the Markov property, Markov chain, finite Markov process, random walk model, Poisson process, queuing process. So, what are the learning outcomes from this course? So what we expect that how students will be benefited from this course. So we can say, if a student successfully can complete this course, we would expect that he will be able to derive the probability density function of different random variables, and also he can generate data from various distributions. Then also he can explain the concepts of expectation and the conditional expectations, also describe their properties. Then he can analyze continuous and discrete time random process. Also he can explain the concepts of stationarity and wide sense of stationarity. Also, what are the significance of stationarity, he can explain. Then he can apply the theory of stochastic process to analyze linear systems. And finally, we would expect that he can apply the above knowledge to solve basic problems in filtering, prediction, and smoothing. So, what are the recommended books or materials for this course? So, as I told you that the course is divided into two broad parts. One is probability distributions and another one is stochastic process. So, for probability distributions, we will follow few books. For example, a first course in probability by Sheldon Ross, Introduction to Probability Models by Ross, then Probability and Statistics in Engineering by William Douglas. Then for stochastic process, we will follow few more books such as An Introduction to Stochastic Modeling by Taylor and Kerlin, Modeling and Analysis of Stochastic Systems by Chapman and Kulkarni, Introduction to Stochastic Process by Bartlett. So I would suggest my students that you can also many other books, but make sure that they are standard form. That means the standard universities are following these books, because our goal is to provide you the standard education. So we will try to provide you the materials and the books. Those are following by the renowned universities such as MIT, Cambridge, and other renowned universities. So the next part is about your performance evaluation. So what are the parts that we will be using to evaluate your performance? So there are 6 points here. So we will evaluate your performance by considering your class performance. There will be several short quizzes, also some quizzes. Then there will be several assignments. Also there will be one group assignment. Then you will have your midterm exam, and also you will have your final examination. So these are the criteria where we will focus and evaluate you and your performance about the course. So This is all about the course content and basic discussion of this course. If you have any question, then you can email us through BRACU domain. Also, you can ask your any queries in our consultation period. We will be available on online in the consultation hours. Thank you. Best of luck for the rest of the semester.